Okay, so this video is a monster truck roundup. I've shown some of my monster truck collection in two previous videos, so this is just showing the rest of them. I've put them into three categories. They're all from Hot Wheels, except for this one from Johnny Lightning. It's Bigfoot, who was a superstar when I was a kid. He was really famous. I looked it up and found out he was the first monster truck and started the whole thing off, so that's why he was such a big deal. The chassis comes off, and inside there's a Bigfoot driving it, which is a good touch. Just putting it back together. So the first category is animals. And the first one is Predator, who looks like a black panther. Next is another big cat theme one, Pouncer, who is a leopard. This is El Toro Loco, a bull. I don't believe in horoscopes, but I'm a Taurus, so that's why I got this bull-shaped one. And the last animal theme one is Brutus, who looks like a very aggressive dog. The second category I put them in is horror. So first in these is Bone Shaker. It suits the horror theme with its black body and skulls design. Next is Arachnophobia. This could have been in the animal category, but I think it's better suited to horror. Another one which could be in the animal list is this Reptoid. I don't know about you, but I find snakes scary enough to be here. This is Gravedigger. It's fairly obvious why this is with the horror ones. It's Halloween on 4 big wheels. This one is also called Gravedigger, but has a completely different design. I'm guessing this is how it started off looking, then got a serious makeover to suit its name. The last category is called Random, as they don't really fit in anywhere else. First is Heartbreaker. I like the feminine pink on the extremely macho monster truck. It's a good contrast. Next is Driving School. I could use this as an unofficial Jokermobile from the Dark Knight film. This is Blue Thunder. I got this for 2 reasons. The first being it looks really cool, and the second is that it shares the same name as an 80s film starring Roy Schneider from Jaws. It's about a high-tech police helicopter. If you haven't seen it, then check it out, as it's really good. And last is Captain's Curse. I think this exists because the Pirates of the Caribbean films made pirates popular again. Okay, so that was a monster truck roundup, and hopefully you'll join me on another video sometime.